Yes. Always on the last one. Yeah. Yes, yes. Oh. 400 in a game. Should have gone $3 bets. Ah. Should be good.
Good.
About 7, 8 mansions.
Yeah. Come on, Wolfie. Do it some justice. What was that? Better. Okay.
Okay.
Better than that.
Come on. Major, mini, minor, grand. Oh, go. Oh. Well, how many minis? Far out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
260 bucks. Could have at least given us a major.
Oh, it's almost like 40, 80, 120, 160, 200.
Not bad. Now it's my turn to hit. Ah, shouldn't have spoken.
Right, you shouldn't have.
Back to back, yes.
Your hands are sweaty.
Yeah, I know.
If I saw feature.
No, we want the mansions. Come on, 20, move.
What?
Mansions. The mega hat gave us, alright. Stop mansion. No, don't stop there, please. Don't. The worst one. Why is that even there? I don't know, like 50 bucks? Oh, 30 bucks, not even 50. Let's go $3 until 300.
Go.
Oh. That been good. Yes. Why again? Stop. Come on, we need 3. 3 at a time. It's gonna give us a dud one this time. Yeah. Come on, 3 at a
It
time.
wasn't going to give us any.
Yeah. Come on. 3. Go. No. You've at least given us 1 gold. wasn't expecting that.
Charge denom?
Yeah.
No price then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, Wolfie. Ah, look at
Mr.
that.
Piggies. Piggies. Go. Go. Hey,
Oh. Sorry.
just took my turn.
Mom's getting tired. We'll pull out 300.
Go.
Ah.
Come on.
Go. That's it. So, for one
Yeah.
hit? No. Oh, yeah.